Are you ready to get some fun and some sun after a long winter? Well, we have an awesome opportunity for you coming up, which is the biggest vacation giveaway that we have all year. It is our $5,000 vacation giveaway. And the great news is that even if you don't want to use it to go somewhere fun and warm, you can use it to do an upgrade to your house. You can get that perfect present that you always wanted, or you can even save it and put it in your bank account. Whatever it is, it doesn't matter. We have $5,000 that we're going to be giving away just for you. And if you want to know how to get it, Thea has some of the details.
All you have to do to be the winner is give us a call on March 14th. We'll be taking calls between 11:30 and 4:30 that day and announcing the winner at 5 o'clock. That number to call is 317-975-1511.
And our winner will be announced shortly after 5 o'clock that day. So if you want to register, all you have to do is give us a call. We'll ask you just a few quick questions, and we'll give one entry for every phone call. Now, here's the catch. If you have a referral for us, we will give you 3 additional entries for every referral that you give us when you call in. So be thinking about someone who might be able to use our help with buying, selling, building, or investing in real estate. Have their contact information handy, and we would love to give you an additional 3 entries for every referral you give us. So don't forget to give us a call at 317-975-1511 on Tuesday, March the 14th from 11:30 to 4:30. We certainly hope to hear from you and wish you the very best of luck.